In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable screen recording in PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a tutorial, a presentation with dynamic content, or simply want to capture something directly from your computer screen, screen recording in PowerPoint is a handy feature. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you can do this with ease. Begin by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Once you have it open, navigate to the slide where you want your video to appear. This is where the magic happens, so choose a slide where the recorded content will be most effective for your audience. Now that your slide is selected, direct your attention to the top of your screen where you'll find the ribbon. This ribbon is your tool hub, and for this task, you need to click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the different types of media and elements you can add to your slides. Next, look towards the far right of the ribbon where you'll find the media group. Within this group, you'll notice an option labeled Screen Recording. Click on Screen Recording and you'll see PowerPoint minimize itself, while a small control dock appears at the top of your screen. This dock is your command center for the recording process. Before you start recording, you'll need to determine which part of your screen you want to capture. Click Select Area on this dock, and here's where you can define the recording boundaries by dragging your cursor to outline the desired portion of your screen. Make sure this area encompasses everything you wish to capture, as anything outside of it won't be part of your video. Once you've defined the area, you're ready to start recording. Click the Record button, which is symbolized by a red circle on the control dock. You'll notice a handy 3-second countdown begins, giving you just enough time to get ready to perform any actions on the screen that you wish to capture. Now, conduct the on-screen actions you want to include in your recording, whether it's navigating through a website, demonstrating software, or anything relevant to your presentation. Ensure these are done fluidly and clearly. When you're finished, it's time to stop the recording. To do this, move your cursor to the very top edge of your screen. This will reveal the control dock again, allowing you to click on the stop button, represented by a blue square. And just like that, your recording will be embedded directly into your PowerPoint slide. Enabling and using screen recording in PowerPoint is incredibly convenient and, as you've seen, quite straightforward. With these steps, you can make dynamic presentations that communicate your ideas effectively. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful for your PowerPoint projects.